Ding, 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 you've logged onto the King. Welcome to our latest loading demonstration. This is the Rhino side loader. It's a system we've been waiting for ages. You can see me fitting the side straps, the bridle to the side of the Pro Angler 14. And here come the side bars that are carried on the roof rack until needed. They're going to clip onto the other side of the vehicle, and they are telescopic and will extend down to the ground. They act as ramps so that we can winch the kayak up the side of the car. Flip the kayak over, hook up to the bridle, and now using the winch system strung over the other side of the car, up comes the kayak. So this takes very little arm strength, it's simple to use. The kayak comes up whether it likes it or not. It doesn't matter if it's got a bit of weight in it, the system just gets it done. Doesn't matter what size, height vehicle either. So I keep winding until the kayak comes right up onto the straps. I've got a couple pads on my bar, it helps the kayak to slip across, just like that. And there we go, she's ready to be tied down. The side bars come back off, you can retract the length and clip them back into their holders. And of course, to then get the kayak back off, we're just doing the same thing but in opposite. So there we go again, refit the bars. All we need to do is start to wind a little bit of slack off the winch so that we can pull the kayak over the edge a little bit. The winch has a clutch system in it which stops the kayak from taking off and just sliding down and hitting the ground at 100 mile an hour. It's coming into play right there. And it's just a matter of reversing the winch and sending the kayak back down the side of the vehicle. So any person can do this. By stopping halfway, I'm able to put the cart in, which is really handy, so that when it hits the deck, it's pretty much ready to just pick up and wheel off again. Unloading and loading, takes a couple minutes. It's really simple to do, and it allows anyone to get it done without busting a pooper valve. Fantastic for guys with caravans as well. So you can see the system there, fitted without a kayak on it. Neat and tidy, and works. So there's no excuses for not being able to get a great big boat up onto your car.